Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to remove items from your shopping cart in Foodpanda. To remove an item from cart in Foodpanda, open the Foodpanda application first and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the shopping bag icon at the top right corner. This will open up your items that you have added in your cart. To remove the item from the cart, simply go ahead and select the item and tap the trash icon right underneath the product name. Soon after you do that, the product will then be minused from your cart. Repeat this step to minus or delete any other items from your cart, and that's how you easily remove an item from shopping cart in Foodpanda application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.